Hi guys, just really doing a review on my quad bike. It's crashed. I crashed it into a stream, so I don't know if it'll work. I've had it on charge a couple days, and I'm just gonna see if it'll start. Yeah, it's a 90cc. I took the speedo off, the lights on. The chain snapped a few times because of this thing here. And it goes all the way down into the back where the light, hang on. Yeah, that's just the alarm going off. So in there, it's a brand new chain. I'm gonna have one snapped a few times. I'll just see if it starts now. Sort of. No, I'm just gonna have to take it down for the replacement. It's been a good one. I got it for Christmas. So then I'll be doing lots more of videoing on my farm and that. So see you next time. Please subscribe, leave comments and all that. Right, see ya. Bye.